If you are wondering if you can clean your Eufy C10 with a water, first of all, you shouldn't clean your entire robot with running water, so it's not recommended to do it like that. When it comes to the sensors, those three right here, and the front sensor, you can use something like LCD cleaner on some fabric and then try to clean it that way. When it comes to your main brush right here, I wouldn't use water as well, as it can make your brushes very stale, and that way it will kind of damage them. So I would just swipe them with the clean, not wet, dry fabric. Then when it comes to the dustbin, there's a HEPA filter, and you shouldn't clean that with, you can clean that with water, but but insert it only when it's dry. When it's very dirty, it's just better to replace it overall. And when it comes to the inside of your dustbin, then I would actually recommend to just clean it under a water, but do not pour the water directly on it. Just use another like paper towel to clean it full of dust, but don't use running water, as the water with dust may go into things like hinges or wheels, and that way they will be kind of stuck. So don't use overall water. You can use it for some spaces, but don't clean it under running water. Always be careful with that. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.